Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfan Shira bin Tazali. Today, I want to present about approach time estimating in construction. First of all, I want to introduce about definition and importance about approach time estimating. Approach time estimating is an early stage technique used to forecast the total cost of a construction project before detailed design are complete. It relies mainly on historical cost data from past projects combined with basic dimensions like floor area. This process is extremely important because it helps clients determine whether a proposed project is financially viable. Furthermore, it assists in setting a baseline budget to avoid cost overruns later during development. Overall, it gives key stakeholders the financial clarity needed to make confident decisions early on. Second, I want to explain about purpose at the early stage. The primary purpose of approach time estimating at the early stage is to set a realistic budget limit for the design team. It provides clients with a reliable cost figure needs to secure financial backing or bank loan. Additionally, it allows architects to evaluate different design alternatives without exceeding the budget. This prevents expensive redesign by ensuring the project remains affordable from the very start. Ultimately, it acts as a financial guide that keeps the entire project team aligned with the client expectation. Next, I want to explain about overview of common technique. There are several common approach time estimating techniques used in the industry, such as the function unit method, the floor area method, and the building volume method. The function unit method calculates cost based on project capacity, like the price per unit or per bed. Meanwhile, the building volume method uses a three-dimension approach, multiply the length, width, and height of a structure. For standard commercial and residential building, the floor area method is the most popular choice due to its simplicity and balance of accuracy. Choosing the right technique depends entirely on the type of building, the stage of the project, and the availability of historical data. Next, I want to explain about detail focus and work example for floor area method. To demonstrate how the floor area method works theoretically, let's look at a simple example of a single-story terrace house. Assume the building has a length of 15 meter and a width of 8 meter. The calculated gross floor area is 120 square meter. If historical cost data suggests a construction rate of 1,200 ringgit per square meter for these types of house, we simply multiply the total area by this rate. This gives us an estimate total project cost of 144,000 ringgit. This basic calculation allows clients to understand the general mechanisms before applying it the complex multi-story project like our Appendix 2 scenario. While approach time estimating techniques are essential at the early project stage, every method comes with its own set of advantages and limitations. The function unit method is quick and simple for basic feasibility check, but it is highly inaccurate because it completely ignores building shape and material quality. On the other hand, the floor area method provides a great balance between speed and accuracy for standard development. Through it fails to account for varying floor height. Meanwhile, the building volume method resolves the height limitation by factoring in 3D space, but it can mispresent cost if expensive finishes are used over large open volume. Ultimately, selecting the right technique requires balance the need for quick decision against the level of accuracy available at the stage. For task 4, we apply the floor area method to estimate the total cost for the proposed 4-unit 2-story shop office project in Besut, Terengganu. Based on the floor plan dimension in Appendix 2, each floor measures approximately 24.38 meter by 12.19 meter, resulting in 297.19 square meter per level. Combining both the ground and first floor gives us a total gross floor area of 594.38 square meter. By applying a standard historical commercial rate of RM1,500 per square meter, the calculate total project cost equal RM891,570. This figure gives the client a reliable baseline cost to assess project feasibility before committing the detailed design. Next, reliability and influencing factor. Regarding reliability, while these estimates provide a useful early baseline, several critical factors can influence that final actual cost. First, the project location in Besut, Terengganu may increase transportation fee for specialized material and labor supply. Second, market inflation and price volatility in cost material like steel and cement can quickly cause budget overruns. Third, unexpected site conditions such as poor ground stability may require extra foundation work that is not reflected in a basic floor area rate. Therefore, a contingency allowance should always be added to account for these external uncertainties. In conclusion, appraisal estimating play a vital role at the early project stage by providing essential financial guidance and establishing realized budget boundaries. Therefore, our analysis of the Appendix 2 project, we demonstrate that the floor area method provides a practical and reliable preliminary estimate for commercial development. However, because early estimate remains sensitivity to external factors like location, inflation, and site constraints, strict realization of a single rate should be avoided. To improve accuracy, estimator must continuously update their historical cost database with current market rate while incorporating reasonable contingency allowance for project risk. Ultimately, early collaboration between client, architect, and quantity surveyor ensure that project costs remain well controlled from inspection to completion.